Hey, Gary Baker here with you, 30minutemarketing.net. Today's quick video, we're going to take a look at how to make money as an affiliate marketer as a beginner. Wow, that's a mouthful. All right, so to jump right in here, we're on Warrior Plus, as you can see here on the screen, and I got some good news for you, and I got some bad news for you. The good news is, well, let's start with the bad news. The bad news is almost everything in this top 10 is complete and utter garbage. The good news is, now you know that everything in this top 10 list is complete and utter garbage. But take that and use it to your advantage. Here's the deal. Warrior Plus is a place where you can go to make money as an affiliate marketer. It is in the business, make money online, affiliate marketing, internet marketing sort of niche where people come here as an affiliate to find products that are in this space, who come here as a vendor to sell products in that space. So there you go. Good news, bad news. And here's the deal. This is not specific to just Warrior Plus because there are good products to promote on Warrior Plus. I promote good products on Warrior Plus. I know vendors on here that sell good products on Warrior Plus that you can promote. So it's not all bad. It's just, I want to make sure you understand exactly where you are and where you're going when you come to Warrior Plus. And what is the key to making money as an affiliate, as a beginner on Warrior Plus? It's knowing that and taking the time to get the experience to understand what's going on Warrior Plus. At the end of the day, you need to set up a simple system that you can use to show results to people to prove that these systems work. So I'm not saying don't buy any of these, but if you go in knowing what they are. Go in knowing that they're cheap products that are used for lead generation. So buy the front end, test it. If you test it and it works, you have a case study and you can use that to promote it, or to promote other products, or to just build your real business. If you buy it, if it's $10 to $20, $30 in that $15 range, and you buy it and it doesn't work, you haven't lost any money. And you also have a case study there that it didn't work. Now you know what doesn't work. So you have two things going for you now. You purchase something, you've tried it, you know it works, or you know it doesn't work. So you can use both of those to your advantage. And that's really what being an affiliate marketer is all about. And it doesn't matter what space you're in, whether you're an affiliate marketer over at Amazon or whether you're an affiliate marketer here at Warrior Plus. It's about the experiences and about the things that you know, that you've learned, that you're sharing with your audience that can help them get where they want to get. Here's the deal. How to make money on Warrior Plus as a beginner, as an affiliate marketer, is about coming to Warrior Plus, learning the platform, buying the products, understanding the products, using the products, figuring out if the products work, why they don't work, and then building an audience around that and giving that information to them. Sort of like what I'm doing right now. I think you get the point. So let's look at how this is going to work from a simple, high-level perspective. You need traffic. For example, in this funnel right here, your YouTube channel. You're watching me here on YouTube. Getting any good ideas? Okay. So your YouTube channel is your traffic to your squeeze page. You put them on an email list, send them over to the affiliate products. So for example, what do? Here's my Warrior Plus dashboard. You can see that yesterday, somebody went through this process and I made $10. You can see that right there. This month so far, I've made $59.49. Last month, I made almost $1,000. Life-changing money? Am I a top affiliate on Warrior Plus? Does that matter? Have I proved that this works? Am I showing you how it works? I think I am. That's why I'm making this video. Again, you can see here, you can see my dashboard. You can see the simple sales funnel that I have. And if you're really interested in how this works and how to set it up, there's a link in the description and you can actually see exactly how I do this. So check out that link in the description for an easy, very simple setup. YouTube channel, squeeze page, email list, affiliate products. Like I said, it works on any marketplace, but we're specifically talking about Warrior Plus. So we'll go back to Warrior Plus, and what you want to do as an affiliate is you want to spend a lot of time here under offers. But also, you can go back to Marketplace and you can go into categories. While you're going to spend a lot of time under the affiliate tab looking for offers, the best and first thing here is to go to categories and just simply open that up. Then when you open that up and you're going to look under categories under the marketplace, you need to look, you got to stop and you got to step back and you have to find something that you think will work, something that interests you, something that you want to try. Again, you have to prove that this works. It doesn't have to be $1 million. You don't have to show somebody that you made $1,000 overnight. You just have to show them results. Results. Something you tried and it worked. Something you tried and it didn't work. Results are results. Results are results if they work. Results are results if they don't work. For example, let's think about the weight loss niche. If you're an affiliate marketer in the weight loss niche and you're using yourself as a case study and you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to gain weight, but most people are in the weight loss niche, right? So they're talking about losing weight. But in health overall, there's other aspects of that. But in the weight loss niche, you want to lose weight. So you buy a product and you test that product. Did the product work? Yes, no, right? So you make a YouTube video about it, or you have a Facebook group, whatever. You're driving traffic, you're finding your audience, you're finding the people that need that information. Exact same thing on WarriorPlus. Come to the marketplace, browse these things, marketing, education, advertising, dropshipping, traffic, PLR white label. You might not know what PLR white label are. There's videos. Check the description. I'll have some more videos on those. It's one of my big things. I like PLR. So you simply just click on the PLR and you go take a look at what's inside that marketplace because you think that's something you can use once you understand what it is. Of course, it's private label rights content that you can use as your own, which is great as an affiliate marketer. So then you come to the marketplace, marketing, education, PLR white label. You can see it right here at the top. And you start going through this and you're looking at it going, can I use any of this? Well, Playful Dolphin spot the difference. This is some done-for-you content with a commercial license. Children's activity pages, that's going to be in the low content space. Think puzzle activity books on Amazon. Snake.plr, we were talking about the health niche, weight loss, gaining weight. Snake.plr, no idea what that is, but through my experience and the time that I've spent on the WarriorPlus platform, I know that the vendor, Tiffany Lambert, is good at what she does, so this is going to be good, high-quality content. And again, the only way you know that, the only way you figure that out is by coming here and spending a little bit of money and time with the content that you just spent that money on. Again, we're looking at a very simple process, and what was that process? It's a process like this. You build a YouTube channel. You talk about your experiences on WarriorPlus, the products that you purchased on WarriorPlus. The good, the bad, the ugly. And then you take that experience and you put it on YouTube. You drive people to a squeeze page, put them on an email list. Then you send them over to your affiliate products. Listen, you can do this one of two ways. You can do it in my opinion, is the right way, which is what I said. You can purchase a product, you can test it, you can try it. Or if you can get review access. But really at the end of the day, you're talking about the front end of these products, $15. You need to spend a little bit of money to make a little bit of money. And this is the way it works. Go buy the product, actually use it, try it, see if it works. If it works, great. Report that. If it doesn't work, okay, report that as well. Tread lightly here and a grain of salt or two. Think about when you go on the negative side, what that's going to do for you as well as the people that are coming to you. If you only produce negative, you're going to only get negative. So think about that and don't go too hard on the negative side, because really what you're doing and what you want to do is you want to teach people what works. So for example, we'll go back to the marketplace and we'll scroll down and we were looking at PLR white label, but there's a traffic section here. We'll go ahead and we'll take a look at that. And under traffic, you're going to see all kinds. And this is where you can sort of get in the deep end of stuff that doesn't work. And then it goes down into really understanding and knowing and finding a vendor that you can trust, that you believe in. And how do you find that? How do you know you can trust them? Well, you buy the product. Does the product does the product do what it says? And you do that by going through the training, trying the training, and figuring it out. So, for an example, say you were to find something in here about Quora. And there are trainings in here on Quora. A lot of people use blind copy, so it's kind of hard to find something exactly on Quora because it's not really flashy and it doesn't really sell. So I think there's some stuff on here like 1 minute traffic or something like that. It's actually a really good product, but you would never know from the sales page because it's completely blind copy and talking about all the money that you're going to make and how quick you're going to make it. But that's an aside. That's part of the learning process of Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is targeted at you, the new guy, the newbie, the affiliate marketer that's a beginner. That's who these products are targeted at. So you need to understand that, and you'll figure it out real quick if you take the time to understand exactly what the sales page is doing and why they're doing it that way. Again, part of the learning process. You'll figure it out. I got faith in you, and I know you will because you're still watching this video. And now I'm going to show you, if you were to find something on here on Quora, how simple, how easy it is to get started on Quora just by going to Quora.com. So seriously, go to Quora.com, and all you need to do is stop, create an account on Quora.com, and you start answering questions, and you start creating your own content. It's like blogging, except you're able to build a profile on a site that has tons of authority because Google still currently loves Quora and Quora answers, and these rank on Google. But more importantly than that is you're actually helping people that have real questions. So you come in here and you build a profile. Here's my profile right here, Gary Baker. It's not about faster, it's about focus. 30minutemarketing.net. We all know that. You can see here, I've had a few answers here, 94 answers. I got people following me. But then you can see that I've created content right here where I actually share my videos on YouTube. So it's a strategy. And I've reported that here on the channel. Again, link in the description to all the videos I'm talking about, everything I'm talking about, always a link in the description. So go here. If you were to find a product on Warrior Plus that talks about using Quora, you go here, you go to Quora, you start answering questions, you start creating your own content. Then you come over here, you start looking at your stats. And when you look at your stats, now you have proof. Again, it may not be how much money I made on Warrior Plus or how much money I made from this product. It was look at the stats, look at where I'm heading, look at the results I got from this product. So again, you're on a journey, you're sharing that journey with your audience. It's no different than what I'm doing. It's no different than what everyone on YouTube is doing. They're on a journey. Now, they may be really successful and have 100,000, 300,000 or more viewers and making a lot of money, but they didn't start there. Just like everyone, you start with the first step. And again, the first step is going back to Warrior Plus, going to the traffic section, finding a product in here that is talking about traffic, or a product that's talking about a specific topic inside of PLR, or maybe a piece of PLR content that's talking about traffic. Think about that one for a second. You find a PLR product that's talking about traffic, how to generate traffic on Quora. That PLR product you can purchase, then you can use as your own. So now you can take that PLR product, you can read it, use it as training. If it works, you have an excellent case study that you can use that's ready to go. All you have to do is get some results, take that content that you purchased in PLR, push them together, and you're off to the races. You could do the same thing with PLR and say Facebook. So you find a piece of PLR on Facebook ads. So what do? You go over to Facebook, create a business account, pop into your ads manager, and do something like this. Of course, this account is closed. I don't use it anymore, but you can see here what I was doing was I was running Facebook ads in this account. You can see my results. You can see the impressions. You can see the cost per click. You can see the amount of money that I spent. Yep, I had to spend a little bit of money, but I had to spend a little money to get some results to show that it worked, to show that it didn't work. Put that into a case study, give that to my audience. See, it's just that simple. So let's wrap this video up real quick. Warrior Plus, the good news, the bad news. You know the good news and the bad news. You need to move forward. You need to take a look at these products. You need to understand what these products are about. You need to get some results from these products. Good results, bad results, doesn't matter. You need results. Then when you get results, you deliver those results. You can deliver those results on Facebook, Quora, YouTube. You can see right there, you know what I'm doing every day. I'm delivering my results to you here on YouTube. Of course, you click on that link in the description. What are you going to do? You're going to hop over to a squeeze page. It's going to tell you more about what I'm doing, what you could do. It's going to put you on an email list, and it's going to lead you over to affiliate products. Look, you can see what I'm doing. You can do it too. And that is how you make money on Warrior Plus as an affiliate, as a beginner. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those. Keep learning. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.